amazing home is sitting on a nearly 70-foot wide by 170 deep, 170-foot deep lot. Imagine that, a wonderful home that offers a double garage that's insulated and has electricity, an in-ground swimming pool, and a bachelor apartment. So we're going to bring you in and show you the property. A nicely decorated home with a very large living and dining room area. We love the log set gas fireplace. We'll give you a quick view of that as well because it looks so real. It looks like the real deal. And that's log set gas fireplace. This home has been upgraded quite a bit in the last 5 to 7 years. The windows have all been upgraded, and what a wonderful idea to have wood frames on the inside that are so perfect for the look of the home, and vinyl on the exterior, so making them maintenance free. Nice open concept living and dining room area. There's a walkout from the dining room to the swimming pool area, and another massive window showcasing the beautiful backyard. We'll give you a little glimpse of that, and then we'll end our video outside. Recently upgraded kitchen, solid wood cabinetry, granite counters, stainless appliances, a nice thin pantry over here, so it's out of your way, but it has enough shelving for extra storage, and a walkout out through the mudroom, so it's perfect if you come in with your groceries from the garage area. We'll show you the powder room. Powder room, main floor den, so it could be considered a 4-bedroom home. We're calling it a 3+1 bedroom. The main floor den can be a bedroom, but look at what a great place it would be for your office. We'll turn the camera around and show you that massive window, so if you work from home, imagine the inspiration you can get with a window facing the outside like that. So this is the way down to the bachelor apartment, but for now we'll show you the upstairs and then we'll come back down. So hardwood floors, freshly painted. The rooms are a nice size. This is the master bedroom, offering 2 closets and 2 large windows. That's the beauty of older homes. Many of them have windows on both sides, and you really appreciate that, especially when you're home, to be so close to nature. This would be the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, but great room. Then this would be the next bedroom. And let's give you a quick glimpse of your view from here. Isn't that beautiful? This could all be yours. A 5-piece bathroom that is specially for these 3 bedrooms. So 5-piece bathroom, double sink, jacuzzi tub, separate shower area, and 2 windows. So a complete home so far, and we haven't even started. As we go down, I'll tell you a little bit about the upgrades. Windows, roof, furnace, air conditioning, pool liner, pump, garage with electricity, everything upgraded and a great bachelor apartment. So we'll show you a little bit of the bachelor apartment, but there's certain rooms we can't show you out of respect for the tenant. Let's go down. A nice, bright, and clean bachelor apartment with 2 windows in the living bedroom area. A large enough kitchen that can house the dining room area, the dining room. Servery. Here is a 3-piece bathroom, a window, and their own separate door. So whether you rent it or not, it's a great space to have a little bit separate from the rest of the home. So we'll go upstairs and we'll go out to our favorite part of the home, which is the exterior. Through here you have a mud room, so you can come in, park, and easily come in with your groceries, so that's very convenient. Take a look at this large lot with several sitting, entertaining areas, some soaring mature trees. So we love this patio area. It's a slate stone patio area, and that door is the door that was in the dining room. Brand new fence over here on this side. And right now we're not going to show you inside the garage, but on the virtual tour, the photo galleries, you'll be able to see the photos of the inside of the garage. So if you're a car or motorcycle enthusiast or anything where you like to have a garage or workshop area, you will love this space. Again, the pool liner, the pump, and several of the components have been upgraded in the last 5 years, as well as the roof, the furnace, the air conditioner, so many recent upgrades. A beautiful heated pool, showered in sunshine. Right now it's a partly sunny day, but on a sunny day, you don't even have to worry about heating the pool. And check out this space. Indeed, the perfect man cave. But whether it's a man cave or not, it's the perfect pool cabana. You can host your friends, you can set your food here, you can put your bar fridge in here, some drinks. The sky's the limit because you have electricity. A built-in bar as well. Just great for those afternoon brunches. And more of us are staying home and enjoying where we live, so why not have it in your own backyard? So that's one of the reasons why we love this home so much. A great flooring type around the swimming pool, so it's slip resistant for your safety. Nice covered gazebo area. And a deep enough pool that if you want to use the diving board, you certainly can. So this home will be available for you to tour online, as well as many photos on our photo gallery. And it's available through our website at askNina.com. Anyone in our team will be glad to show you this home. And honestly, take a look at this beautiful setting. So what do you think? Isn't this a great property? Honestly, this swimming pool is so tempting. I am this close to jumping in. So if you're interested in a home like this one, log into our website, askNina.com, or give us a call at 416-236-1871. We'd be delighted to show you this beautiful home. Thanks for watching.